Oh my God!
Ken's go ahead downstairs. Let's go see what Kayla's yelling about. I'm coming.
This is so cool.
What is it?
You did it. Wait till Ken comes.
Right
What?
here.
Go this way. Come here, Kens.
Yeah, where'd you go?
Kens, come this way.
No, Kenzie, come here.
Okay, go by Daddy.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Kenzie, look.
Look.
Presents.
Surprise!
Okay, the other one.
Kayla, wait. Did he eat the cookies or anything? Did you look outside?
I can't get around to these presents. He ate them. Yes, he ate them.
She heard it all.
Oh, and the reindeer did too.
What did he eat? There's a bite out of the tomato?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, easy, girls. Come back. Move the house out so she can get by.
No, there's room here.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Kayla. That's
Why
it.
did he leave it open?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe because
Kayla. That has your name.